Third question, 2x minus 3y is equal to 9 and 2x plus y is equal to 30. Now, ये equation में x का जो coefficient है same है, so you don't need to multiply anything. So you can start as it is. So subtracting equation 1 with 2. So 2x minus 3y is equal to 9 and 2x plus y is equal to 30. This becomes your equation 1 and this becomes your equation 2. So अब जब ये subtract करोगे, so the minus plus will change to minus and this minus plus will change to minus. So फिर 2x और 2x cancel होता है. Minus 3y and minus y is 4y. The sign will be of the bigger number, that is minus. So you get minus 4y. Now the 9 minus 13 will give me minus 4. Why minus 4? This minus was on 30, the bigger number. So that is why minus 4. Now this minus 4 is in multiplication. It will go and it will get divided on the right hand side. Cancel हो जाएगा and you get answer as 1. Even the minus sign will get cancelled. Now you got the value of y. You can substitute this value in one of the equation. So you can take the second equation. It looks very simple. So substituting the value of y in equation second. So 2x plus y is equal to 13. So आप y का वैल्यू डालोगे, so आपको ये जो 1 है यहाँ पे प्लस है, अब वहाँ पे शिफ्ट करोगे, so आपको मिलता है 13 minus 1 which is equal to 12. Now 2 is multiplication with the x. You shift there, you get 12 upon 2, which is nothing but 6. So आपको x का वैल्यू मिलता है 6. So I can write the solution. The solution is x comma y, that is nothing but x is 6 and y is 1. Fourth question, 5m minus 3n is equal to 19 and m minus 6n is equal to minus 7. यहाँ पे अगर देखोगे तो दोनों वेरिएबल का, that is m और n, the coefficient is different in both the equation if you compare it. So you can do one thing, either you can multiply 5 with the equation number 2 to make the coefficient same as the first equation, or you can multiply 2 with the equation number 2 so that 2 3s you get 6 and it will be same as the second equation. I think 5 multiply करना simple होगा. So anyhow, जैसा आपको लगता है, आप 2 भी multiply कर सकते हो, आप 5 भी multiply कर सकते हो. I'll multiply 5 with the equation number 2. So multiplying 5 with equation 2. So you get 5m minus 6n is equal to minus 7. So you get 5m minus 30n is equal to minus 35, which is equation number 3. So subtracting, you can use the subtraction. So 5m and 5m will get cancelled. So subtracting equation 3 with 1. So 5m minus 30n is equal to minus 35 upon 5m minus 3n is equal to 19. So you get this as equation 3 and you get this as equation 1. So जब subtract करोगे, so this minus minus will change to plus, this minus plus will change to minus. So यहाँ पे 5m और 5m cancel होएगा. So 3n minus, that is minus 30n plus 3n. So it will give you 27, but the sign will be of the bigger number, that is minus 27n, equal to minus minus, minus 35 plus 35 will give me minus 54. अब यहाँ पे minus 27 multiplication में उधर जाएगा तो आपको minus 54 अपॉन minus 27 मिलता है. So minus minus cancel, 27 2s. So आपको n का वैल्यू मिलता है 2. So you can substitute the value of n in the original equation, that is in equation 1 or equation 2. So I'll substitute in equation 2 itself. So substituting the value of n in equation 2. So what do I get? I get m minus 6n is equal to minus n. n के जगह पे मैं 2 डाल देता हूँ. I get minus. So I get m minus 6 into 2 is 12 is equal to minus 7. So यहाँ पे minus 12 है. जब हम shift करेंगे right hand side पे हमें मिलता है m equal to minus 7 plus 12. m is equal to 5. So आपको n का value 2 मिला और m का value 5 मिला. Therefore, the solution you can write as m comma n, which is equal to 5 comma 2. Question 5. 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3 and x plus 5y is equal to 4. यहाँ पे भी दोनों वेरिएबल का कोएफिशिएंट is different in both the equation. So you can solve, you can multiply as x को आप यहाँ पे 5 multiply कर सकते हो so that the variable, so that the coefficient will be same with the equation number 1. Or either you can multiply as 2 over here and 5 over here and 2 over here. That will be a little confusing. Let's multiply 5 with the equation 2. So multiplying 5 with equation 2. So I get 5x plus 5y is equal to 4. So I get as 5x plus 25y is equal to 20, which is equation 3. Now, so आप देख सकते हो 5x and 5x, that is the coefficient is same of x. So we can subtract. So subtracting equation with 3, that is subtracting equation 3 with 1. So 5x plus 25y is equal to 20. That is your equation number 3. And 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3, equation number 1. So जब subtract करोगे, this plus will change to minus and this minus will change to plus. 5x और 5x cut हो जाएगा. So 25y minus 2y will give me 23y. 20 plus 3 will give me 23. So यहाँ पे 23 जो multiplication है वहाँ पे जाके divide हो जाएगा and it will give you 1. So आपको y का value मिल चुका है. So आप कोई भी equation आप substitute कर सकते हो. Equation number 2 या 1. Let's take equation number 2. So substituting the value of y in equation 2. So x plus 5y is equal to 4. So in the place of y, I'll write it as 1. So 5 into 1 gives me 5, and you shift that side, you get 4 minus 5. So I'll write it over here. X plus 5 is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 minus 5, which is nothing but minus 1. So the solution is x comma y, that is you get as minus 1 comma 1. Sixth question, 1 by 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3. Second equation, that is 2x plus 1 by 4y is equal to 11 by 4. Now, यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे, it's not in the usual form which we used to do because some of the coefficients are in the fraction form. So we'll do a fine adjustment. We'll try to remove the fraction form. So for that, we'll multiply 3 with the equation number 1 and 4 with the equation number 2. So multiplying 3 with equation 1 and 4 with equation 2. So 3, 1 by 3 x y is equal to 10 by 3. So you solve it, we'll solve it separately. So we get, when you multiply 3 by 3x plus 3y is equal to 3 into 10 by 3. So 3 and 3 get cancelled, 3 and 3 get cancelled over here. You get x plus 3y is equal to 10. This becomes your, let's take this as equation 1 itself because you're doing just a fine adjustment. With the second equation, that is 4 2x plus 1 by 4y is equal to 11 by 4. So when you multiply inside, so you get 4 2s are 8x plus 4 upon 4y, 4 into 11 upon 4. 4 4 get cancelled, 4 4 get cancelled over here. You get 8x plus y is equal to 11, that is becomes your equation number 2. So you get equation number 1, you get equation number 2. Now if you see, the coefficient of both the equation are different. So now you can use a multiplication part. You have to multiply something so that the coefficient becomes same of any of the variable. You can use 3 for the equation number 2 so that it becomes simple. 3 is the smallest number. So multiplying 3 with equation 2. So you get 3 8x plus y is equal to 11, and you get this as 24x plus 3y is equal to 33. So let this take as equation number 3. Now you can see the equation or the variable of y, that is the coefficient of y is same. So now you can subtract. So subtracting equation 3 with 1. So 24x plus 3y is equal to 33. That is your equation number 3. Then x plus 3y is equal to 10, which is equation number 1. So you're subtracting it. So minus plus minus will change to minus. Over here minus plus will change to minus. So 3y and 3y will get cancelled because plus 3y minus 3y. 24x minus x will give me 23x. 33 minus 10 will give me 23. So 23 यहाँ पे multiply है, it will shift that side and it will get divided, which we get as 1. So the value of x is equal to 1. Now you can substitute in any equation, that is first and second. Either way, if you want to substitute in your original equation also you can substitute, but I find first and second are the simplest equation, linear equation. So you can substitute the value of x in the equation number 1. So substituting the value of x in equation 1, that is x plus 3y is equal to 10. So x ka value is 1, 3y is equal to 10. You shift the 1 on the right hand side, you get 10 minus 1, which is 3y is equal to 9. So it's a multiplication, you shift over there, you get 9 upon 3, which is 3. So the value of y is 3 and the value of x is 1. So the solution for x comma y is nothing but 1 comma 3.